Have you ever considered living out of a backpack, exploring the world one city at a time? Imagine the freedom, the heart-thumping adventure, the chance to drench yourself in diverse cultures, and the stories you'll have to share. There's a certain allure to backpacking that's hard to resist. It's a lifestyle that offers the world on a platter, a feast for the curious and the brave. If the answer is yes, then keep listening as we delve into the 7 best cities to live as a backpacker. First on our list is Berlin, Germany's vibrant capital. This city is a smorgasbord of history, culture, and endless fun. With a cost of living that won't break the bank, Berlin is a backpacker's dream. You'll find yourself lost in the city's thriving arts scene and enthralled by its myriad of historical landmarks. Not to mention, Berlin's robust public transportation system makes hopping from one adventure to the next a breeze. Berlin is truly a haven for backpackers looking for a mix of history, culture, and nightlife. Next up is Chiang Mai, a gem in the mountainous region of northern Thailand. This city offers an affordable lifestyle, with friendly locals always ready to share a smile. It's become a hotspot for digital nomads, thanks to its thriving cafe culture and reliable internet. Chiang Mai's cultural heritage is palpable, with countless temples dotting the cityscape, each more enchanting than the last. For backpackers seeking a balance of work and play in a tropical paradise, Chiang Mai is the place to be. Our third and fourth picks are Buenos Aires, Argentina, and Lisbon, Portugal. Let's jet off to Buenos Aires, a city that effortlessly blends Latin American vibrancy with European elegance. Feel the rhythm of the night as the city comes alive with music and dance. And let's not forget the locals' passionate love for tango. It's not just a dance, it's a way of life here. But the allure of Buenos Aires doesn't end there. Despite its cosmopolitan allure, the city is surprisingly affordable, making it a backpacker's delight. Next, we hop over to Europe, landing in Lisbon, Portugal. This city is a feast for the senses. Picture-perfect views, friendly locals, and gastronomic delights await at every turn. The city's coastal charm is irresistible, and the cost of living? Quite reasonable, making it an excellent choice for backpackers. Whether you're drawn to the Latin American spirit of Buenos Aires or the coastal charm of Lisbon, both cities offer a memorable experience for backpackers. Rounding up our list are Cape Town, South Africa, Tbilisi, Georgia, and Hanoi, Vietnam. Let's start with Cape Town, a city that's like a canvas painted with breathtaking natural beauty. Imagine hiking up Table Mountain and gazing upon the sprawling city below, or perhaps you'd prefer a stroll along the vibrant V&A waterfront. Cape Town's diverse culture is as captivating as its landscape. With a melting pot of traditions and cuisines, there's always something new to discover. And for adventure seekers, there's no shortage of adrenaline-fueled activities, from shark cage diving to paragliding. Next, we find ourselves in Tbilisi, Georgia. This city is a unique blend of European charm and Asian flair. The cobblestone streets and ancient architecture tell tales of a rich history, while friendly locals invite you to share in their traditions and hospitality. Also, Tbilisi is gaining popularity amongst digital nomads thanks to its vibrant startup scene and affordable living. Finally, we land in Hanoi, the bustling capital of Vietnam. Here, history is alive in every corner, from centuries-old pagodas to French colonial architecture. A walk through Hanoi is a feast for the senses, especially with the aroma of street food wafting through the air, offering delicious tastes of pho or banh mi. And the cherry on top? The cost of living here is impressively low, making Hanoi a haven for budget-conscious backpackers. Whether it's the natural allure of Cape Town, the cultural fusion in Tbilisi, or the bustling streets of Hanoi, each city offers its unique charm for the intrepid backpacker. There you have it, 7 cities that offer the best of backpacking experiences. From Berlin's vibrant culture to Hanoi's bustling streets, each city holds its unique charm. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. So pack your bags and let the adventure begin.